Hello everyone. In the last video, we were discussing about Black Beauty. So here the Black Beauty is a horse. So we are discussing about the horse. Okay. Let me continue. My new master. When I was about 5, I was sold to a man called Square Gordon. My new master was kind as the first one. There was a discussion between him and his wife as to what I should be called. Two names, Ebony and Blackbird, was suggested. Then the wife thought of Black Beauty and Square Gordon liked it. Thus, I was given my new name. So, the title of the lesson is Black Beauty. I think now you got how this title has come to existence. Okay, so why we are calling this horse as Black Beauty? So when this horse was 5 years old, so it was sold to some new master. So the master name was Square Gordon. So just underline. So my new master was kind as the first one. So he was also very kind like first master. And there was a little discussion between Square Gordon and his wife. So what he should be called, what it should be called. So two names they have selected, Ebony and Blackbird. So finally the Square Gordon's wife, she selected Black Beauty. So even Square Gordon liked it. So that's why I got the name Black Beauty. So here the horse is telling. Square Garden had two other horses, Ginger and Merrylegs. Just underline Ginger and Merrylegs. At first, Ginger didn't like me. She was a beautiful brown mare, but she used to bite and kick. The next day, when Ginger was out, Merrylegs said, "Don't be angry with Ginger. People were very cruel to her when she was young. They used to flog her. The unkind treatment gave her bad temper. But she works hard and you will soon begin to like her." Okay. So Square Gordon, so he was even he had two other horses. So names were Ginger and Merrylegs. Okay. At first Ginger didn't like me. So it is common. So when somebody added to the family, we need some time to adjust with them, or suddenly we don't like them. So here also Ginger didn't like. She was a beautiful brown mare. So mare means a female horse. Okay, so feminine form of horse is mare, masculine is horse. But she used to bite and kick. So in the beginning Ginger started to bite and kick this Black Beauty. The next day when Ginger was out, Merrylegs said, so another asked Merrylegs, so it said that don't be angry with Ginger. So why people were very cruel to her? She was young. Okay, so people treated her badly when she was young. So that's why she does like this. Okay, they used to flog. So flog means beat severely, especially with a rod or whip. Okay. So people were used to beat her severely when she was young. So that's why now she is little angry, or she had some hatredness. The unkind treatment gave her bad temper. Bad temper means the habit of becoming angry very easily. Okay, so here, so when Black Beauty came to Square Garden, so this Ginger started to bite, right? So means easily she get angry, but she works hard and you will soon begin to like her. Okay, so even though she is biting now or kicking, she needs some time to adjust with you. And Merrylegs was right. Soon Ginger and I became good friends. We used to pull our master's carriage together. Okay, what Merrylegs said that day, it was true. So soon Ginger became friend with Black Beauty. So they used to pull their master's carriage together. One day, my master harnessed me to his dog cart to take him to town. On our return trip, night had come and storm had risen. So harnessed means harness to put a set of leather straps and metal parts put around a horse head and body. So usually we have seen that. Okay, so I think you might have seen in movies. So horse riding ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ they use some leather straps, okay, just to take control of horse. Dog cart means a light two-wheeled horse drawn carriage. Okay, so it is very light, so we call it as dog cart. So in the next slide I'll show. On our return trip, night had come and storm had risen. So one day this square garden take this Black Beauty to the town. So when they are returning, so it was already night and a storm had risen. Risen means begin to blow more strongly, means the wind was blowing very strongly. I was terrified when a huge oak crashed right in front of us and blocked the road. We turned and went the other way along the riverside. We came to a narrow bridge, but when my feet touched the bridge, I felt sure there was something wrong. My master shouted to make a move. He used his whip also, but neither words nor whip could make me move. Okay, so when they are coming back, so it was very terrified, means when a huge oak crashed right in front of us. So huge oak means a tree with tough hard wood crashed, fell noisily and violently. So that oak tree fell in front of this Black Beauty. So it was very terrified. Terrified means it was very afraid. And that oak tree blocked the road. We turned and went the other way along the riverside. So again, when that road blocked, they turned and went in the other way. We came to a narrow bridge, but when my feet touched the bridge, I felt sure there was something wrong. Okay, so when they come near the narrow bridge, so this Black Beauty felt something. Okay, so when he touched the bridge, so when its feet touched the bridge, he felt something wrong is there. So my master shouted. So suddenly this Black Beauty stopped the carriage. Okay, so even though her master shouted and even though he used his whip, this Black Beauty didn't move an inch. Then a man came out yelling that the bridge had given in the middle. I shall never forget my master's loving words of gratitude and the supper he gave that night. So then a man came out yelling. Yelling means, so he was shouting and he was in fear. Okay, so he was shouting and he was in fear that the bridge had given. So that the bridge had given means that the bridge had broken up. So don't move. Bridge had broken up in the middle. So in the middle it had broken up. So don't move. So that night, my master's loving words of gratitude and the supper he gave me that night. So this Black Beauty never forget that night. So even its master treated it very well. And the supper means, so we used to tell, so up to 8, sometimes when we ask somebody, had your dinner? Okay, so up to 8 or 9 we'll use this word dinner. So above 9 we'll use supper. Okay, so ಈ got a very good supper and his master's loving words. The end of happy days. So the last section of this Black Beauty lesson is the end of happy days. Then came a sad day. Our mistress was taken seriously ill and had to go away to God's home. Okay. So here their sad days started. So our mistress was taken seriously. Means she was ill and had to go away to God's home. God's home means absolutely she died. Our happy days with her and our kind master were over. Ginger and I were sent to live with a friend of our master. So when Square Garden's wife died, so their happy days came to end with Square Garden and Square Garden's wife. So Ginger and I means Black Beauty. So they both were sent to live with friend of Square Garden's master. Square Garden. Okay. So it was very sad moment for us when we were handed over to our new coachman. Okay. So the new coachman is nothing but Square Garden's friend. So our master came round to pat and speak to us for the last time. Our master came round to pat and speak. Pat means so he gently touched Black Beauty's head and he just came to speak for the last time. His voice sounded very sad. I held my face close to him. That was all I could do to say goodbye, and then he was gone. I have never seen him since. Okay, so even the Black Beauty held his face close to Square Garden, so it can express its feelings by this way. Okay, so it said goodbye, and till to this day it has not seen him. Okay, since means from then until now. Okay, so that day Square Garden disappeared, so till to this day the Black Beauty has not seen him. Unfortunately, our new mistress was very different from Square Garden's wife. She was very proud and thoughtless woman. She made life quite hard for us. So here Black Beauty is explaining about third mistress. I mean third coach. Okay. So she was a little rude with the Black Beauty. So she made their life very hard. She was not kind like Square Garden's wife. We often thought of the loving Square Garden and his gentle wife. Both Ginger and both Ginger and Black Beauty were thinking of this Square Garden and his wife. How much they cared for our comfort and happiness. But now all that seemed a sweet dream that had ended forever. Okay. So now, so those moments were only memories. Okay, so they can remember and they can feel a little better by remembering Square Garden and Square Garden's wife. Okay, so they can't get that treatment now. Square Garden and his wife were treating these all the horses very kind. Okay, so here their happy days came to end, and but now all that seemed a sweet dream had ended forever. So they can say it is a sweet dream and it ended forever. Okay, I hope you understood well. So meet you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.